We're coming into the Quintessence audio suite. And here's Tom Campagna with Quintessence. Hi Tom, how are you?
Peter, how's it going?
It's going very good. You've got one heck of a gorgeous new speaker here.
Thank you very much. It's been a lifelong dream of mine to come out with a true ribbon line source speaker, and we finally have done it.
Well, give us a show here.
Well, it's a new product called the QLS, stands for Quintessence Line Source, and stands in a box that's six-sided, no parallel walls except for the front and rear baffles, extensively braced inside. There's at least 9 different chambers inside here. Each 6-foot array weighs approximately 350 pounds. Efficiency is quite high, 95 dB. That's a true 95 dB, not a spec 95 dB. It will handle 400 to 500 watts continuous effortlessly. The ribbons are true ribbons, not a quasi-ribbon. They use a step-up transformer inside to bring up the ribbons to an acceptable impedance level. Then we use a somewhat complex parallel series crossover network to bring up the impedance to an even 7 ohms across almost the entire bandpass. SCTs, no problem.
No stuff.
No problem. And this is a new color from Porsche, by the way. They're called their Cognac Metallic.
I've seen this on a couple...
On boxers and
Yes,
cases.
I
Yeah,
have
very
seen it, and
attractive
it's
color.
a very attractive color, the brown.
Yeah, we like it, and we think it's a home run in several areas, especially the appearance. And so far, the comments have shown people really enjoy the look of it. The rest of the system, since we're aimed in this direction, the amplifiers are from Tom Maker. Used to be Edge, his company Edge, and now he's branched off to his own company. It's called Maker Audio, using his monoblocks. I believe each one puts out 300 watts per channel. Sitting behind that is a PS Audio line conditioner that the amps are feeding into. Flanking the PS Audio on the left and the right are the companion subwoofers for the line source arrays. The line source arrays are good down to about 39 in and of themselves, and the subs extend that down even further to the 1920 cycle range. Each sub has a built-in plate amplifier, 1,000 watts per side, and it feeds 2 12-inch drivers per side. Similar arrangement to our Stealth product, the Stealth base module, although a little bit more extensively braced inside these particular subwoofers.
Well,
Using MG Audio connectors for interconnect and speaker wire. They're a newer company out of Colorado, make excellent flat cable similar to our Nordost, although we think they offer exceptional performance for the price ratio, and we're very happy with the sound they're giving us.
Yeah, they are surely nice and wide. You can see how wide they are next to the hand.
Right. And feeding back over to the electronics feeder, we're using PBN Audio's reference equipment. We're using his reference preamp. I believe it's a 12K piece. Comes in power supply and then the main control module on top. Feeding to the right, starting at the bottom, we have another PS Audio line conditioner that feeds the front end gear. Sitting above the PS Audio, we have Peter's Liberty phono stages. They're being used in monoblock form and giving us a true balanced output. So the phono in balance is feeding, or shall we say the VPI table, which by the way, this is the latest and a world premiere of the VPI Rosewood Direct Drive.
Well, I'm going to call Mr. VPI himself over. He's standing stage right, Matt Weisfeld, to walk us to the turntable. And I want to thank you very much, Tom, for the system walkthrough. We're going to sit down and do some real serious listening because you've got a killer product here.
Thank you, Peter. Appreciate it.
Very good. Thank you.
Have a good show.
Quintessence, QLS, Maker amplifiers, PNB photo stage, and the extraordinary VPI Classic Direct 3D printed art.
September in Montreal, the air is mild and soft, walking in the evening sunset. My thoughts are floating by in so pink sky, a blessing that we all do share today. 'Cause you are my man. That's where I am now. My mind is cool and calm. Yes, you are my man. My eyes are seeing clear again. Yes, you are my quiet strength. My happiness is you. And I am smiling for you. December in Montreal, the night is dark and soft. The snow is gently dancing on my face. Just close your eyes a while, let snowflakes from the sky and touch and kiss your mouth and smile. 'Cause you're my man. That's where I am now. My mind is cool and calm. Yes, you are my man. My eyes are seeing clear again. Yes, you are my quiet strength. My happiness is you. And I am smiling for you.
One of the best sounds at the show. Just fantastic.